Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and Kitty with her titties joins us today because we're looking at a book all about cats, images of the cat. So this is full of a load of like paintings and stuff, paintings and drawings of cats. So let's go and have a look at this one. So this one here is called Images of the Cat, and the first thing that struck me when I saw this, I found it in the second-hand shop. The first thing that struck me was how sort of professional, like elegant, I suppose. It just feels like a very sort of elegant book. But one of the things I always like to do is, what does the cover look like underneath this? Not bad. Do you know what I was hoping for? I was hoping for like a little cat or something. But I kind of like that. Nice and simple, and it's got that like textury paper on it. This is by Nigel Cawthorne. Images of the cat. Look, cats and a parrot. It's a beautiful little image, isn't it? Cats are cool. What's this here? So, Images of the Cat is a beautifully illustrated celebration of the way cats have been seen through different eyes through the ages. So it's going to be full of like paintings by different artists. So little Kitty has to get us into this one. Pop! Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at those two colours. Again, there's a sort of elegance to this book. So this is a second-hand one, and it was actually a present for some. It looks like a student give it to their teacher, Mrs. Pugh, for the best tea. I was thinking to myself, imagine if Carolyn went into this second-hand shop and saw this book. It almost feels like it's an unwanted gift in this strange way. So one of the things I love about this book, because I've already had a quick look through it when I was in the shop, it's got these things where it's got like greaseproof paper and they put like images on it, which I love it. You can sort of see through it, but little cats, little fluffy cats. When was this made, I wonder? 1999 this one was. It's quite an old one then. I love the year 1999. It's one of my favourite years because in Cornwall we had the total eclipse. I remember going out. What happened was during the day there was a total eclipse. It went pitch black, pure like silent. It was very eerie, but one of like the most memorable moments. Ancestral cats. Oh, cool! It's going to go through like the timeline. Yay! I didn't know this. Egyptians. Now what happens is, right, what I've been realising is, in the old days, it looks like there were actually creatures on the earth that were humans with animals, with animal heads. Feels like they're actually real. That those Japanese block, I like those wood blocks, because what they've got a way of doing like it's like flat, isn't it? It's weird how they do that. That's Jesus, look. The Last Supper. Little cats on the floor, look. Cat and a dog. That's nice. Friendly. That's quite interesting, look. He's got a thing coming out of his head. Yeah, I love that. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's that one. I like the way ancient people did their paintings in a sort of a 2D way. It's very sort of, it's almost like childlike. The Prophet Muhammad was a lover of cats. Time for play. Oh, look at that, look. Oh, I love that one. Oh, yeah. These are done by Henriëtte Ronner-Knip. Henriëtte Ronner-Knip. Look, I think it's got a little poem with it as well. That's how you spell the name. Pretty sure it's got a little poem with it. That way look, my infant low, what a pretty baby show. See the kitten on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall. Withered leaves 1, 2 and 3 from the lofty elder tree. But the kitten, how she starts, crouches, scratches, paws and darts. First at one, and then its fellow, just a light and just as yellow. Pop. Cool. That's a little bit like psychedelic-y, that. Like everything sort of... Oh, cool. The cat and the moon, look. I'll tell you what's brilliant about this book is how so many different styles. It is quite interesting seeing how people capture cats. Look, that's cool. I like that one. Look at him, look. Eating a fishy. A cat in gloves catches no mice. Oh, is that a little baby one? Yeah, cat and kitten. Prowlers, look at that, look. That's cool. That's the one with the best story so far. Because you sort of, you can imagine that, can't you? Imagine being one of these little mice. Little cat down there. What a strange person that is. Strange like proportions and things. Cartoon one. Hey, that's Roald Dahl, that is. I like that they've put cartoon ones in as well. All cats love fish, but fear to wet their paws. I like the way you get the image from both sides of it. It's like an interactive image. Look at these, look. Pampered pets. People looked a hell of a different in the old days, didn't they? Like, they look the same, but they look a bit different. Somehow everyone looked a lot older in the old days. Wonder why that is. They've got like the same nose there. I like that one. Look, the dog wants some. I like her. Lazy Bones. He's cool, isn't he? I love this one. I've seen this before. There's something about those eyes are brilliant. Get him, look. Enjoying the sun. Cats are the best, I think. Look, cats are the best, aren't they? This artist here has captured a very nice innocence about these cats. Charles van den Icken. Hey, monkeys. Monkeys and cats. Mysterious cats. Oh, this would be interesting. What weird, feels a bit frightening. Witches. Do you think that's a witch's cat? Yeah, look, the love potion. I think that's a witch. Oh yeah, hey look. That's Alice in Wonderland, yeah. Lewis Carroll. Oh, I love that they've done that one. That looks nice. Like a mirror going into Alice's world. He's funny. Literary cats. Look at that, look. Raining cats and dogs. Imagine if that did happen. It wouldn't be very pretty really, would it? Because when they hit the ground, they'd like blood and guts everywhere. Confidence. That's nice. Look at claws, look. Oh, I like that one. Looks like he's having a poo. I like that one. Hey! Cool. Is that Puss in Boots? Yeah, Puss in Boots. What a cool character. Cow jumped over the moon. Hey diddle diddle, cat in the fiddle, cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. And that's how we finish it. We finish with the purple and gold. Oh, I loved that. I hope you did. My favourite one was this one. Oh, I like that one as well. My favourite one is this cat with the eyes. This one. Look at these eyes. Look at the eyes on the on that sheet of paper. Look. That's beautiful. That's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was Images of the Cat, a book by Nigel Cawthorne. And I shall see you later for another one.